celebrating our treasure of natural wonders, California nature on the air.
Oak trees, most of them, belong to the genus Quercus, and Quercus is a Celtic word that means fine tree. This oak woodland, forest, savanna type landscape is one of the commonest ecosystems in the state of California. There's two different kinds of oak trees, live oak and deciduous oaks. We've got about 22 different species in California. The coast live oak, the canyon live oak, the interior live oak. We've got the leather oak, the scrub oak, the black oak, the blue oak, the California valley or white oak, and several more which I can't think of right now. Here behind me is a deciduous oak. This is Quercus kellogii, or the black oak. And you can identify it because at the end of each lobe there is a tiny spine or bristle. And deciduous, the word, means they lose their leaves in the wintertime. This is another species of oak. This is one of the evergreen oaks or live oaks, and this one is coast live oak. And even though the leaf shapes are quite different among all the oaks, one of the things that ties oak trees together is the presence of the fruit, that is, the acorns. If it has an acorn, it's an oak tree. Oak trees were one of the most important sources of plant protein for the Native Americans that lived here, that is, the acorns. These oak woodland, forest, savanna type ecosystems support an abundance of animals. In fact, I can hear the acorn woodpeckers right now. I never tire of looking at oaks. All of the species provide food, shelter, warmth, aesthetic pleasure, and even spiritual sustenance. And I can't think of a better description of these magnificent specimens in the botanical world than fine tree.